Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, locking the focus ensures consistency in your shoot, particularly when taking multiple photos or recording continuous video sequence. This prevents the camera from refocusing unintentionally and maintains the same focal point throughout. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open camera app on your device. Well, so the way to lock the focus with a specific object, you can press on the object like this till this icon appear. Not only that, you can also adjust the brightness by swiping this slider. Okay, so that's the tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.